Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to download CoinMarketCap application on your iPhone. CoinMarketCap is a popular cryptocurrency price tracking platform that provides real-time data on thousands of cryptocurrencies. To download the app on your iPhone, first of all, go open up your App Store. Now in the search box, type in CoinMarketCap. Look for this application that says CoinMarketCap Crypto Tracker and tap on the install or the get button to start downloading the app on your device. Wait for a couple of minutes and the application will be installed right away. CoinMarketCap is used by traders, investors, and enthusiasts to track market trends, coin prices, trading volumes, and other metrics. As soon as the application is downloaded, tap on the open button to launch open the app on your device. And that's how you easily download CoinMarketCap right on your iPhone. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.